Midjourney and Firefly are two of the most popular AI image tools available today, and both offer powerful features for designers who want to work faster and create more ideas with less friction. Even though they share the same purpose, they feel very different in practice. If you're trying to decide which one is the best fit for creative work, here is a smooth, natural script that works well for a long-form video. Midjourney is known for its artistic style and its ability to turn simple prompts into striking, imaginative images. Designers often describe Midjourney as a tool that feels inspiring right from the first output. It excels at rich textures, dramatic lighting, and visually expressive results. When you want concept art, mood boards, character designs, or stylistic scenes, Midjourney tends to lean into bold creativity. Many artists choose it because it offers a high degree of visual personality, even from minimal direction. Its interface runs inside a chat-based workflow, which some designers find refreshing because it feels conversational and collaborative. You type an idea, see 4 interpretations, and then refine them until they match your vision. For people who enjoy exploration, Midjourney can feel like having a personal art studio that responds instantly to new ideas. Firefly takes a different angle. As part of Adobe's ecosystem, it is built for professional designers who want tight control and predictable results. It is fully integrated with tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere, which means you can generate or edit images directly inside your existing workflow. Firefly focuses heavily on accuracy, brand safety, and commercially usable outputs. It offers features like generative fill, text effects, and style matching that blend naturally with traditional editing. If you want to create production-ready assets, clean product images, or controlled variations, Firefly is reliable and practical. It also has user-friendly sliders and settings that let you shape the output without having to rewrite prompts. For structured design work, Firefly feels stable, polished, and ready for professional use. For designers, the choice often comes down to the stage of the creative process. Early in a project, Midjourney helps spark ideas. Later in the process, Firefly helps refine and finalize them. If you need expressive art and unique looks, Midjourney is unmatched. If you need dependable tools that slot into your regular design workflow, Firefly is the better fit. Both can improve your creative speed and expand what you can make. The difference lies in whether you want raw imagination or structured professional control.